Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another wash day video for you. It has probably been like 3 weeks since I washed my hair and my hair is just so drab. So I'm going to take it back to a routine I used to do earlier in my natural hair journey to restore my curls. And as you can see, it's itching. Wait, I need you to go down below first, click that red button and subscribe to my channel. It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Alright, so go ahead and do that for me before we get started. So I'm going to start off by washing my hair. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo, and this is for damaged transitioning hair. But as an extra step, I've added baking soda, and this is to help clarify my hair. Now, baking soda can strip the hair if it's used too often, and I don't do this very often. So first I'm just going to start off by wetting my hair and kind of loosening up any dirt or any product buildup, because like I said, it's been probably about 3 weeks since I washed my hair, so I know that there's some product buildup in there and my hair has just not been reacting the way that it usually does. So I knew that I needed to do this, and I'm going to wash my hair in 4 sections. So I'm just going to separate it. Now, the benefits of using baking soda are that it helps remove dandruff and helps remove buildup from your hair. It can treat like smelly hair, so if you're having some issues with that. And it's alkaline and it helps bring pH balance. Now, I have done research on this, and baking soda can damage your hair if you use it too often. And if you know your hair is not strong enough for this, like if your hair is chemically treated or color treated, you probably don't want to do this. And just in general, nobody wants to do this like every time you wash your hair. But this is just an extra measure that I take when I know my hair needs some TLC. So I mix it with the shampoo and get it to like that paste consistency that you saw. And I start by applying it to the roots and my scalp. And for this wash day, I am like washing my hair like all the way down the shaft. And so I apply it to my scalp and massage it in there and then run it down the shaft of my hair, because I really want to get all the product off my hair, off my scalp, just to start off with a fresh, clean palette. And I'm using the pads of my fingers. Don't want to use your fingernails because you don't want to scratch your scalp. And I'm just going back through and giving myself a nice massage and scratching because I knew that my hair needed a deep clean and a clarifying, because it was itching a lot and it just wasn't holding moisture like it typically did. Alright, and like I said, just rinsing the product out of my hair, and I just ran my hair under warm to hot water to make sure that all the shampoo and baking soda was out of my hair. And I like to use warm to hot water when I'm washing it, just to get all the dirt and product and buildup off of my hair and off of my scalp. And I also started off with hot water as well. And I'm just going through just to make sure that everything is out of my head. And as you can see, it's nice and clean. This is like a squeaky clean. Like literally when I was running my hands over my head, it was squeaky clean. Now the next step that I follow up with whenever I use baking soda to clarify is I do an ACV rinse. So I just mix half apple cider vinegar with half water and put it in this bottle, and I'm just applying that all over my hair. And apple cider vinegar helps to balance your hair and scalp sebum pH, and sebum is the natural oil that your scalp produces. and it's antibacterial, antifungal, it's cleansing and clarifying, it adds body and defines your curls, which you will see at the end. It helps to reduce frizz and add shine because it lays down the cuticles of your hair. And as you can see, I'm just massaging that into my hair and allowing it to sit in my head for about 3 minutes to reap all those benefits. And it also helps stimulate growth, prevent loss of your hair, prevent split ends and breakage. And it can also help reduce porosity. So if you do have issues with porosity, it can help you, retain moisture. Now, it's not going to repair or change that, but it'll help when you're trying to maintain moisture in your hair. Now, once I've let that sit for about 3 minutes, I'm just going to rinse that out with cool to warm water. And you all are going to see that my curls are just going to be popping. So I don't know why I haven't been doing this. Oh, my hair just feels so refreshed. Ignore my red eyes. And now it's time to deep condition. No, this is not pistachio flavored Talenti gelato, but this is a deep conditioner that I made. It contains honey, mayonnaise, eggs, olive oil, and avocado. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair and make sure that it is coated. And the benefits of these ingredients are that mayonnaise has L-cysteine amino acid, and it helps to nourish the scalp and promote hair growth, defines the curls, treats dryness and frizziness. And I let that sit under a plastic cap for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. But the tip is you want to rinse this out with cold water because it does contain eggs, and if your water is too hot, you will cook the eggs inside of your head, and you don't want that. And speaking of the eggs, it helps to curb hair loss, strengthen roots, stimulate new growth, conditions and improves texture because it has biotin, B complex proteins, and amino acids. Now, this is not a protein treatment. The eggs are not going to fill in those gaps in your hair, but it does have those benefits that I mentioned. And it also has avocado, which moisturizes the hair, has vitamin A, D, and E, B6 proteins, amino acid, folic acid. It promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff, and revitalizes hair. And honey, as we all know, is a natural humectant and helps seal moisture. It's an emollient, which helps smooth and soften hair, and it smooths the outside follicle, which allows your hair to appear shiny. And the last ingredient that I use is olive oil, which strengthens, shines, moisturizes your hair because of the wonderful antioxidants vitamin A and E, which help protect your keratin. And olive oil also helps seals in moisture and prevent split ends, and it promotes softness in your hair. And now all you're seeing me do here is apply a watered down version of my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner to help rinse out any leftover of that DIY conditioner in my hair. And from this point on, I'm only going to be using cold water because, like I said, just in case that there's still some of that DIY conditioner in my hair, I don't want to cook any eggs and have chunks of scrambled eggs in my hair. That is just not going to be cute. But I just used that and worked it through my hair, and then I'm rinsing it out again with cool water. And then as I see the water start to run clean, I warm it up just a little bit. But y'all, that water was freezing cold. I made sure of that. That's why that clip is so short. I tried to show it with, me rinsing it out, but I could only do that for a little bit. I had to, go ahead and get down and put my head underneath the faucet. But this is not a protein treatment. This is just a revitalizing deep treatment mask that I knew that my hair needed. And here is my hair all clean, and it feels so soft and moisturized. My curls have been restored. They are so bouncy, and you can see the definition, and I'll definitely show you all a close-up. But thank you so much for watching, beauties. Be sure that you rate this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.